Is dental insurance a scam, or is it really insurance? Okay, and so in this video, I'm going to be discussing dental insurance and how you can best maximize your dental insurance to save you the most money. Okay, and so if you're new to me, to the channel, to any of my content in social media land, my name is Katrice-The. I am a licensed health and life insurance agent, and I'm also the owner of the K. Daniels Insurance Agency, and I help business owners to navigate their insurance options and enroll into affordable, comprehensive coverage that does not break the bank. Okay, and so we're going to get into talking about dental insurance. Okay, now one thing that I've noticed is that when I'm talking with clients about dental insurance and I ask them if they're looking to enroll, most of the time they'll tell me no, not right now, it's not in the budget, or no, I have it somewhere else. Or some people will just flat out say, I would just rather pay the full amount at the dentist because I don't go to the dentist that often. Okay, and so one thing, and that's fine, we move on in the appointment, but one thing for me, I am somebody who, if there's a way I can save me money, I'm going to do that. Okay, and so dental insurance is definitely something that I feel like is very important for you to have, because your teeth are very important to your well-being. Okay, now some people, they look at dental insurance as if it's really not insurance. Okay, that it's kind of like a discount plan. Okay, but that's not the case. Okay, when it comes to insurance, one thing that makes an insurance plan versus a discount plan is what's called the deductible. Okay, insurance plans have deductibles, and they also have out-of-pocket maximums that you pay, and they also have annual amounts that the plan will pay. Okay, and it's just dependent upon the different plan that you choose, and that's whether it's health, dental, vision. Okay, and so discount plans, they are discounts. Okay, and they are plans where per service you get a certain amount off, and there is no annual max. Okay, you can use it as much as you want because you're only getting a percentage off. Okay, and so dental insurance really is dental insurance. Okay, now for most plans, you're going to have a deductible that you have to pay before the plan will kick in and start paying its allotted amount. Okay, as stated in your summary of benefit. And now once you've met the deductible, then the plan will kick in and the plan will start to pay its share that it stated that it's going to pay. Okay. Now, I was reading an article online, and it was talking about how the American healthcare system doesn't really consider dental care as an essential service. Okay, which is very, very true. Okay, even though there's so much evidence that links having a healthy mouth to the well-being of the rest of your body. Okay, and that's anywhere from better pregnancy outcomes to a healthy heart. Okay, but dental coverage has not been the best in recent years. Well, it hasn't been the best, but in recent years, it has started to, you're starting to find plans that will cover more annually, okay, and cover more per service. Okay, and so according to the American Dental Association, 1/3 of adults aged 19 to 64 don't have any dental benefits at all. Okay. And so now when you look at that, when it comes to health insurance, it's only 8.4% of Americans don't have it. Okay. And so there's a huge gap in dental coverage, having dental coverage and having health insurance coverage. Okay. And so, like I said earlier, many people put off not having dental coverage because they don't go to the dentist enough. Okay. And so they look at the cost versus the use, and they're like, I'm going to be spending way more versus me just paying for it out of pocket. And while I can understand that logic, okay, you never know what's going to happen. And so you want to always have some type of coverage available in order for you to save money, okay? So let's talk about how you can maximize your dental coverage, okay? So the first thing that you want to look for is if you know that you're going to be having some type of dental procedures done, okay? The first thing you want to do is you want to call around to different dentists and find out exactly how much they are going to be charging for a specific service, okay? So if you need to go in and you need to get like some periodontics done, call them and ask them, okay, how much do you charge for, your periodontal service, okay? Now, some dental offices, they have their cost online, and so you can just check online. It just depends on the dental service, on the dental office, but the first thing you want to do is find out how much it's going to cost, okay? So you call in like you're going to be paying cash, like you're going to be a cash paying patient, and then they will tell you how much is the cash paying, okay, rate, okay? Now, most dentists that I have worked with, they will charge, if you get dental insurance, they may take a little bit off of the cash price, okay, for you, so that it's kind of like a little bonus for you having dental insurance, okay. You can ask the dentist if they do that. Some dentists do, some dentist offices don't, okay. But that's the first thing you want to do, okay. Now, when you're looking for dental insurance, okay, you want to look for the plan that's going to give you the most, that's going to pay the most for your annual, okay? So you get the highest annual max, and you also want to look at how much percentage they are paying per tier, okay? So when you look at dental insurance, you have your preventative, then you have like your basic, and then you have like your I don't know if it's called advanced or major. That's what it is, okay? Your major services. So preventative services are things like cleanings, x-rays, which is normally like the bite wing x-rays. If you need the panoramic x-rays, most plans cover that under the basic services. However, I have seen panoramic covered under preventative services. It just depends on the company, okay? The dental company, insurance company. Okay, and so your basic services are things like simple extractions, and the panoramic x-rays, fill-ins, things like that, simple things like that. And then your major stuff like, oral surgery, periodontics, scaling, things like that, those are going to be covered under your major, okay? Now, normally your, depends on the plan, the major services, they do cover a lesser percentage than the basic services, but that percentage off, they take that percentage, that's how much they cover. So say it's say you have a plan, and for major services they cover 20%. Okay, and then your procedure is whatever it is. We'll just say $100. Okay, they're gonna pay 20% of that $100, which would be $20, and then you would be responsible for the other 80. Okay. The good thing with dental insurance is that you can have multiple dental insurances, okay? And they will cover it, okay? So if you have two plans, and say you're married and your spouse has dental insurance through their employment, and then you're a business owner, and so you decided that you wanted to go and get another insurance, so you could run both dental insurances, and then that would reduce your out of pocket. Okay, so you can, the one thing you want to do, you want to call around and get quotes for the lowest cash price. Okay, that would be the dentist that I would go with. I would get the one that has the lowest cash price, and then from that, then I could calculate how much I would be paying out of pocket. Now, if you can get another dental insurance, okay, then you would get that, and that would help to subsidize you and lower your out of pocket as well. You also want to look at, like I said, the highest annual max, and then the percentages that they're going to pay per service. Okay, now why am I such an advocate for dental insurance? Because I believe that if you can save money with anything, insurance is to me, I look at insurance as an incentive, as a bonus for you, to help you save money as you are taking care and making sure that you are healthy. Okay, making sure that everything is going well within your body. Okay, and so and it's also just another way for you to be able to keep more money in your pocket. Now, there are a lot of good dental insurance plans out there, and there are a lot of not so good dental insurance plans out there. Okay, and so you want to work with a licensed health insurance agent. Okay, and so that they can go through and find you the best plan that will cover your needs. Okay, and so when you're working with an insurance agent, they need to be doing some type of a needs assessment for you. Okay, figuring out what it is that you need, how much you're wanting to spend for insurance to cover those needs, and then they present you with their findings. Okay, and so if you are, that's what I do with my clients. We sit down, we have a consultation, and I go through and I figure out exactly what it is that the client is needing. Okay, and then once I figure out what they're needing and how much they are wanting to pay for their needs, then that's when I go in and I do my research and I come up with the most comprehensive plan that I can come up with within their budget range. Okay, and so if you are needing dental insurance or you're needing health insurance, you can book an insurance consultation with me. It's absolutely free. We'll do a needs assessment, and then we'll go through and I will find the best plans for you. Okay, and so that's what I have for this video when it comes to dental insurance. Okay, dental insurance, I feel like, is very, very important for our health, because if you cannot properly chew your food, if you cannot properly eat, then you are losing weight. You're not able to properly nourish yourself. Okay, which can cause a whole other history and problems in your life. Okay, all right, and so that's what I have for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, thank you for watching this video. If you would like to book an insurance consultation with me, you can click the link tree. It's going to be on the home page, but it will also be in the description of this video. You can click on the link tree and you can book an insurance consultation with me. All right. And so until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.